Slow, deep in the shadows of the night we rise, born from fire, steel, and pride. A legend forged in blood and pain, standing strong, we break the chains. From the eagle soaring high to the tiger's burning eyes, through the thunder and the storm, hear the battle cry.
Built up, drums intensify.
One by one we march as one, through the smoke, through the sun. No retreat, no turning back. Feel the fire, we attack. We are the hybrid warriors, built for war, we stand victorious. No fear, no chains, no compromise. This is the age where legends rise. We are the hybrid warriors. Hear the call, feel the fire in us, blazing through the darkened skies. This is the age where legends rise.